Losing an iPhone can be a stressful experience, especially if it's turned off or disconnected from the internet. Fortunately, Apple provides features through Find My iPhone that allows you to track your device even when it's offline or powered down. So, here is step-by-step guide to track a lost iPhone even if it's online. Step 1. Use Find My app or iCloud.com to track your lost iPhone. Open the Find My app on another device. Tap on Devices. Select your lost iPhone from the list. You will see its current or last unknown location. If it's nearby, tap Play Sound to help you locate it. Try to find out with the web browser. You can even open a browser on your iPhone. Type iCloud. Now enter your Apple ID and password. Once you log in, tap the dots right next to Profile. Tap Find My. Here, this will give you information about your device's location. Similarly, you add play sounds. Make as lost or you can erase your device if you want to. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of finding your iPhone even if it's online. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of finding your iPhone even if it's offline or turned off. Still have questions? Please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.